Hey guys, this is Kristen at Cooking in the County, and today I'm going to show you a very simple dessert. Here's a list of ingredients you'll need to make this delicious dessert. You'll need 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 3/4 cup graham cracker crumbs, 1/3 cup of lemon juice and some lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a can of condensed milk, 10 ounces of cream cheese, and some pie filling. Now you got some friends coming over and you're like, I need to get a dessert on the table and I don't have a ton of ingredients. I'm not running to the store for any ingredients. Let me see if I have something here. Really simple, really quick, and very tasty. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we need a bowl. We need 3/4 cup of graham cracker crumbs. Now I didn't have any graham crackers, but I did have some Teddy Grahams. So I zinged them up in the food processor, and I have 3/4 cup of graham crackers. Teddy Grahams, same thing, right? And these are chocolate. So you can do chocolate or you can do just regular honey graham crackers, whatever you choose. And we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm gonna put that in here. Now the recipe I saw called for some sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I don't understand why we need more sugar when graham crackers are already sugary enough. And the rest of the ingredients in this is really sugary. So if you want more, you can add more sugar to this, but I'm not going to. So just butter, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and 3/4 cup of graham cracker crumbs, okay? So I'm gonna set this off to the side. Now we're gonna make the filling. The filling is gonna require 10 ounces of softened cream cheese, okay? It's been sitting on my counter. And then to this, we're just gonna whip this up real quick in the mixer. Okay. To this, we are going to add 14 ounces of condensed milk. So just pour that in there. It's mixed up really good. And to this, we're gonna add 1/3 cup of lemon juice. Now, I just squeezed the lemon. It's about a full lemon and a half to get 1/3 cup. If you do not have lemons, but you might have some of this, it's a little stronger, but it will work just as well. And if you don't have any lemon, you don't have any lemon. We can still try to make this. I also use, this is not a zester. I don't really even know what it is, but it works really well for a zester. And so I just took a little bit of the lemon rind and kind of don't get to the white, but just the yellow part. It's got a little lemon zest in there just to get it a little freshness because it is gonna be pretty sweet, this dessert. But we're not gonna eat a lot of it. We're just gonna put it in little cups like this. So it's just gonna be a nice little treat at the end of a meal. So we're gonna add this 1/3 cup of lemon juice and a little bit of lemon zest. Turn it down a little bit. Looks like it's gonna splash. Get that all mixed in there, like that. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla to this. Dessert's almost done, guys. This is it. Okay, well that's finishing mixing up. We're gonna take about 3 tablespoons of this mixture for each little cup. So just pass this down, press this down like this. I'm gonna make 4 desserts tonight. And we're gonna set this in the fridge. These are all filled, but I'm gonna press this down a little bit to make it more like a crust. This is all mixed up really well. Take this off, just so you can see better. We're gonna take about 1/4 cup of the mixture. We're gonna just pour it in the container here. But you could use a little bit more than 1/4. We're gonna do this first. Add just a little bit more. That's the fun of working in the kitchen, is trial and error. Like, oh, well there's some more left. Let me put some more in the container here. Let me put some more in the dishes. Okay. There's that. Gonna rinse this real quick. So I have cherry fans and blueberry fans in my family. So I'm gonna use 1/4 cup of cherry pie filling for 1. Just a big, nice heaping. that. Okay, and I have some blueberry fans. So I'm gonna put some blueberry, about 1/4 cup, but just eyeball it to how much you want. Okay. Better make 2 cherries just in case. Let's see, 1 more. Didn't have a lot of cherries in it. Okay. Guys, quick, easy, and really tasty dessert. Hope you try it and I hope you enjoy it.